Python, using a list in Popen as command. I try to create a subprocess with Popen. Here is my code at first. The problem is that the executed command failed with a message that the contacted server is not available. It seems that the variable hostname is not used. Trying the same with a string, instead of a list, as command in Popen, with shell equals true, everything is working fine. Does anyone know what is wrong with the code? Regards, Stefan.
Each string in the given list is handled as a single command line argument. You don't need to use quotes when using this syntax either. Try something like this. Edit, or, based on comments, something like.
In the list, every argument must be its own item. There should be no spaces in the strings.